Today we're going to be installing this Speedo Angels motorcycle dashboard screen protector and beautiful 7-inch TFT display should have a protector like this. I've had good luck with this on my Tracer before, so it's supposed to come with 4 of them, 2 clear ones and 2 I guess matte anti-glare screen protectors. So we're going to put the anti-glare ones on. Once you get the packet open, you see the 4 protectors there, some wet fit instructions, auxiliary cleaning, auxiliary installation tools. They want you to kind of test fit it first. I think it's on the back. Oop, it's on the back. I'm gonna have to flip it over. Here's the instructions there. It says you want to take a protector, place it in the center of the screen. This will show you where the protector needs to be fitted. And there's an intentional 2 to 3 millimeter gap around the edge of the screen to allow for fitting errors. Then you clean it after you test fit it using enclosed suede cleaning cloth. I just cleaned the screen with some alcohol because it had some smudges. And then I'm going to clean it with my cleaning cloth, then their cleaning cloth. Then it says use the blue rectangular dust removal sheet to get into the edges and corners. And then peel sticker number 1. Across, which is a red one I think, across until an area of protector is exposed large enough to start applying the screen protector. Try to avoid touching the sticky part, blah blah blah. And then start applying the exposed area of the screen protector and slowly work your way over, trying to not get bubbles and stuff out. So I use this microfiber cloth to clean the screen. And I've got an overhead light, and you can move your head around to see from different angles if you've got any smudges or anything on it. So it looks pretty clean, but I'm going to now go use their cloth to do some more cleaning. So here I am holding it on the screen, as they said. They claim there's a 2 to 3 millimeter gap all around. Well, in actuality, this one has got hardly any gap all around. So just be careful when you're applying this one, that you do the test fit and you kind of know exactly how much gap you do have, because that's all the aiming you're going to get once you start applying it. Another thing you want to be careful of is that the screen protector is perfectly flat. I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but if you look at that corner, you'll see that there's a slight bend in it. So since I've got 2, I'm going to discard this one. The other one is already checked out and proven to be totally flat at the ends, like these 4 corners are. So I'm going to choose the other one instead of this one, so I don't have this little kicked up corner there. I could bend it, but I'll keep this as a spare. Let's open this and see what's inside. So inside we've got a little packet of alcohol wipe, and we've got this dust absorber. So it's got some interesting instructions. There is a little cloth here. This is the cloth that I'm supposed to wipe the screen with, and this is a little plastic kind of a spreader to try and remove the bubbles. Again, I've gone over the whole thing with my fingers and with that plastic card, making sure that all the edges are nice and stuck down. And this overhead light is really useful because you can move your head around from various angles to check and see if there's any bubbles. Anyway, I'll just peel this off now after I do a last check off camera, and then that should be it. Now that all the bubbles are gone, let's do the unveiling. That's it. Shouldn't be any different starting up the bike. Let's turn that on. Looks pretty much the same. We'll see how it looks in the sunlight.